The Legendex Rock Slider program has been running for 5 years now, and the best part of it is people cannot get enough of the sleek, military, tough look. Now, what have we done to achieve that, to make it stronger than ever? We use a 50mm box section. We use a 2-inch tube. We cup the chassis. I mean, there is zero play when you fit this. When you fit them, it is a tight chassis cup. This is not some flimsy sidestep. This is Australian-made, military look, the ultra strong set of rock sliders to suit your vehicle. Now, these are made right here in Queensland, designed and tested. I have tested the heck out of these. I have been to the Cape, to Tassie. I have been able to jack from any location on the side with a high lift jack, motion up, fix my wheel. I've even personally winched a couple of times off the side to get myself in trouble. I know these things are strong, but they look fantastic. And the benefit of the extra step is as you're sliding, punch your car out of the rut, adding protection to the back half of your car. These sliders are unique to Legendex. We are Australia's specialised off-road manufacturer with the complete solution for your four-wheel drive. One place to get everything you need by Legendex for Australians.